Are you experiencing excessive shedding, hair breakage, hair thinning, patch of hair loss of eyelashes or eyebrows? These issues, along with burning and itchy scalp, all fall under the expertise of a trichologist. If you're suffering from any of these symptoms, it's time you sought out a trichologist in your area. A trichologist is a hair and scalp specialist who is trained in the science of the structure, function, and diseases of the hair and scalp. They are knowledgeable on internal and external causes as it relates to your hair loss. They may ask you specific questions about your health or family history to determine the cause of your hair and scalp issues. Cre, a triple certified trichologist and hair growth specialist, can help you if you're in the St. Louis area. She's already begun helping people regrow their very own natural hair through her specialized training in trichology. In order to find out if she can do the same for you, you'll need to book a scalp analysis with her. A scalp analysis will allow Cre to assess the condition of your hair and scalp so that she can decide on the right multi-therapeutic approach to treat your specific type of hair loss. If you've tried painful steroid injections or medications that come with side effects without getting results, it's time to try a new approach. Trichologists are on the cutting edge of new treatment options that are available to help prevent and restore your hair loss, giving you back that full head of hair you had years ago. Don't wait too long. Contact Cre now to get started on your hair growth journey.